Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I'll be reviewing this cutie here. It's another wet and wavy style by Outre. It's called JULISA. And that's what she looks like. And I have it in the color DR4 Tiramisu. It's dark root 4. And it's this color. Let me take it out the package. Like I said, it's by Outre. And the tag is still attached. The lace is still on. The hairnet is still on. Let me cut this tag off. Let me cut the lace off. My daughter keeps telling me I can wear blonde. Certain shades of blonde, so I've been trying them. And they seem to work for me. Okay. I'll show you how it looks. So it has this, it's the high definition lace. Let me read this. High definition transparent lace, but it's only transparent if you're that color. I'm not that color, so I'm still gonna have to put powder in this part. It has a curved right side part. It don't look like it needs to be plucked or anything. Let me show y'all the inside of this wig. Okay, it has a comb on each side, at the temples, I imagine. No ear tabs. No ear tabs, which I don't care anyway. It has a comb at the back with the tag, 2 adjustable straps. Light and airy wig cap construction. It's stretchy. It's like this in the top. And it has that amount of lace, and it's only lace part. So you can't part it anywhere else. So if you like right side parts, then you're in luck. I happen to like left side parts better, but I can work with this. So I'm going to cut this lace off, and then I'm going to put some powder in this part. So I start by cutting the lace right in the center. I'm not going to do all this on camera. Push the hair back, of course. Some people put the wig on and cut it on their head. I don't do that. I just cut it in the center. I'm going to do it. Ain't got no clips to hold the hair back either. So I make a cut right in the center. Then I'm going to cut down this side, then I cut down that side. As close to the hairline as possible, because I don't be gluing down no wigs. And I'm going to cut a little MzBrazell notch right in where the part is, so you don't see any line of demarcation. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm through putting powder in the part, cutting off the lace, and darkening up the edges of the lace. And I darken this up some too to make the part show up more. So this is what she looks like ramen noodles. It's just like the picture. I have it in the color DR4, that means dark root 4, and then Tiramisu. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. It's called Outre Lace Front Wet and Wavy Style Wig. And the name of her is JULISA. It says it has a 5-inch deep parting space. Natural baby hairs. Okay. So I'm going to put on my wig grip. I'm going to take this wig off. This is called Genova by Sensational. It's a half wig. Okay, now I'm going to put on my wig grip. My own hair is just braided and tucked under. Put some powder on this lace. Just use whatever you use on your face. Okay. Now, we'll put her on. I hope it's big head friendly. Pull this down. Okay. I think she's cute, but I don't know about this color on me. I don't know if it goes with my skin tone or not. The style is cute. Let me... Oh, I didn't show you I had made cut out a little notch right here in the lace. So that's my head right there. Not lace. And you see I don't glue nothing. And I always put powder on the other side of the wig, the inside of the wig, except for right here. Can't hardly see no part. That's okay. The beginning of it looks okay. It's a nice summer, spring and summer dew. Nice for the winter time too, because you don't have to have all that long hair rubbing against your coat collar and getting messed up. Especially if it's synthetic. This is synthetic. Okay, I like this. I'm trying to decide if I like the color on me or not. And I wear the shade, y'all, Tiramisu. It's like a dirty blonde. And it has the dark roots, the number 4 roots. Okay, looks just like the picture. The one she has on has pink in it. What color is hers? Hers is dark golden coral. It has shades of pink in it. But mine is different from what's on the card. I want this to be even, so I'm gonna pull it some. I liked it better that way. Wishy-washy. Okay. Front. Right side. Back. And left side. So this is JULISA in dark root Tiramisu. Do the thumbnail. This light ain't right today. Okay, well, thank you all for watching, for joining me for Wig Wednesday. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you think I can rock this color. It's lightweight, very lightweight, and it's a snug fit on my head, but it's not uncomfortable. So, if your head is bigger than mine, then it might be uncomfortable, but it feels good. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Hold this up.